right here on Fox5 Morning. On top of the date night details on Valentine's Day, add in some pampering time for yourself. Love yourself. Yep, we'll have details coming up next with a special guest.
I can't live without
Non-stop. We're talking about one of the products that she's got that she's going to feature. We're so excited. Valentine's Day coming up on Thursday. And of course, it is all about the love, but it's about the self-love and the self-care. So
But you're going to tell me before it's all said and done what I need to get from my wife. I'm the worst.
That's true.
I'm the worst.
I'm going to give you
help.
Help me.
I'm going to give you some DIY. I'm going to give you some DIY. I'm going to give you some, you don't have time, get to the store and get some stuff.
Perfect.
Yes. So Valentine's Day is coming up for sure, but let's take some time to do a little twist and take care of ourselves. Love yourself. A few tips to get you started and ready for love.
Tip one.
Tip one, let's make some bath salts, okay?
And I noticed you have rose petals.
I have rose petals.
Okay, you're handing that.
I'm handing it. That means work.
Something.
All right.
How much do I put in here?
As much as you need. I'm doing 3 to 1. It's TV. We're just going to get it going.
Okay, let's go.
Epsom salt. Some regular salt.
No?
No,
Okay,
that's for something else.
This is Epsom salts and these are
Epsom salt, regular salt.
Okay.
I have some rose essential oils.
Okay.
Okay, I'm dropping those in.
A little bit goes a long way.
A little bit goes a long way.
I've learned that with my essential oils. It's a little bit goes a long way.
Very strong.
You got to be careful. A little bit of roses, fresh roses.
Okay.
You can get these from the supermarket. I'm literally stirring this up. Now at home, you're probably going to tear this up a little bit so it's like shredded.
Ooh, you can smell it right when you do that.
Yeah, and then you have your bath salts. You can put this in your bath. Taking a bath allows you to calm down, slow down. Sometimes I get annoyed, why do I have to run a bath? But guess what? It slows you down.
That's great.
This is for your DIY people.
I'm not sure this is for me. What's
That's
the next
right. For the people that don't, for the people who don't have time to DIY, I found these beautiful bath salts. They're called Soul Balm Sisters, and you can get them online. Pick them up.
Look at the accessories on these.
They smell amazing.
Incredible.
I actually got these at a family baby shower, and I was like, oh my God, I'm bringing these on TV.
Oh, how
Soul
unique
Balm
are these?
Sisters. So you don't have enough time.
There you go.
Okay, you're like, Bahia, this is lovely, but guess what? Run out online, pick this up.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
There you
no
go.
manly sense here. I'm
Guess what, Gary? You know, we're at the time where it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, well, yeah, it does for me.
Wait. Eucalyptus? Eucalypus?
Oh, okay, that's a little bit better.
We'll get some
Something for everybody.
It's a little bit better.
Eucalyptus?
Cedar wood.
That's
Fast.
right. The bottom line is relax, take care of yourself. A nice sparkling drink.
Boo-boo.
That's right, do you.
Okay.
Everybody likes a little bit of fancy.
Yes.
The Voss is
The
very
Voss,
fancy.
but now they have flavored water. So this is sparkling, a little bit of mint is in there. I've got some strawberries, I sliced them up. It is not a big deal. These little things allow you to treat yourself nicely. They refresh you. If you're not a drinker, I'm not a drinker, seltzer water, you can use anything.
Perfect.
You don't have to use Voss.
And it's really very minimal effort to do something really big for yourself. Really important.
And it's the senses. It's the smell and the visual. Having pretty things around you allow you to give. One of my friends said yesterday, you can't pour from an empty cup. You cannot pour from an empty cup, excuse me.
Literally and figuratively in your life.
That's right.
People. Gary,
Fill
what do you
yourself.
think of this?
Well, I'm a seltzer water guy. I love
Beautiful.
it.
So this is
beautiful
perfect.
today.
See, I know what to do when I come on TV. I have to feed him.
Yes.
All right. The last thing I'm going to talk about is teas. I have
gonna have a
two
tea
different
party,
types
Corey.
of teas for you.
Okay. Not teas like rare. Teas.
Oh, that's very good.
Like,
very good,
yes.
as in tea. And then I'm going to talk about a very important tea. So the DIY, fresh mint from the supermarket in your teapot, okay? And you pour, and it's ready to go. I don't have to add regular tea, okay?
Thank you,
I can just use that. Yep, beautiful. And then I have these beautiful little crumpets. They're called financiers.
And they're
French.
heart-shaped.
They're heart-shaped, and they are delicious.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Okay, now you have another type of tea, right?
I have a very important type of tea. I don't know if anybody knows, I had back surgery in 2008. I have serious back issues. Turmeric tea, okay? I bought this one from Numi. This is essential, okay?
It's good for inflammation.
It's good for inflammation. It has cancer, what do you call it? Elements that help prevent cancer, essentially.
Good for your mood, too.
Good for your mood. It's good for coughing. It's good for just about anything. So the key is teas, DIY, or purchase teas.
Exactly. Or teas okay.
That's the other thing.
Thanks for joining us on Fox Morning. We'll be back with our 8 o'clock hour, and we love Bahia coming in every morning on the purple couch.
Thank you.
We'll be back.